morning, students. In previous period, we see the theorem on areas of similar triangle. If two triangles are similar, then the ratio of areas of these two triangles is equals to the ratio of square of its corresponding sides. This is the theorem. Now we see some sums or problems depending on this theorem. Number one, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Two triangles are similar. If AB is to PQ is equals to 4 is to 5. That is the ratio of these two sides is 4 is to 5. Find the area of triangle ABC is to area of triangle PQR. It means that we want to find the ratio of areas of these two triangles. Solution: triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Therefore, by the theorem on areas of similar triangle, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to AB square upon PQ square. That is, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equals to, ratio is 4 is to 5, therefore 4 upon 5 square. Square of 4, 16, and square of 5, 25. Therefore, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equals to 16 upon 20. Okay, this is the first sum. Now for second sum, triangle ABC similar triangle AEF. Again, two triangles are similar. Area of triangle ABC is to area of triangle DEF is equals to 49 is to 100. In this sum, a ratio of areas of two triangles are given. In the first sum, the ratio of sides are given. And here we want to find the ratio of side AB is to side D. Same thing is there. Area of triangle ABC, similar area of triangle, triangle ABC is similar with triangle PDEF. Therefore, by the theorem on areas of similar triangle, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DEF is equals to AB square upon DE square. That is 49 upon 100 is equals to AB square upon DE square. Taking square root on both sides, we get square root of 49 is 7 and that of 100 is 10. Therefore, AB upon DE is equals to 7 is to 10. The ratio of sides is 7 is to 10. Okay. Now third sum, as shown in the figure, two poles of height 8 meter and 4 meter are perpendicular to the ground. If the length of shadow of smaller pole due to sunlight is 6 meter, then how long will be the shadow of bigger pole at the center? Now see here, PR and AC, these are two poles. Then QR and BC, this is the shadow. Therefore, this PR is perpendicular to the ground and AC is also perpendicular to the ground. Therefore, this angle is of 90 degree. The shadows are cast at the same time. Therefore, triangle PQR is similar with triangle ABC. And these two triangles are similar. When two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are in proportion. Therefore, PR upon AC is equal to QR upon BC. Corresponding side of similar triangle. 4 upon 8 is equal to 6 upon x. That is 4 into x is equal to 6 into 8. That is x is equal to 48 upon 4. That is equal to 4 1 the 4, 4 12 the 48. That is the value of x is 12. And what is x? X is nothing but this is the length of the shadow of bigger pole. Okay, thank you.